Rocker Pat here. Alright guys, it's another hot rocking day in the jungle. And it is Friday. And yeah, let's go see what my weekend project is. No, it's not Jackie. I wanted it to be Leroy here. I really want to get this piece right there put in place so I can work this area around this window and get that window in, and maybe we can go take him for a drive. But what my project is this weekend is, this is a 1964, no, it's not a Jeep, it's actually a Willys. Came in a few weeks ago. The whole job was supposed to be stop the oil leaks and well, oil pan gasket. I found side cover gasket leaking. Let's just, basically stop the oil leaks and get it running right. He's having a problem where he drives it and then all of a sudden it starts loading up or something like that. Well, he's actually a referral from the astronaut guy that has the 66 Mustang. So when I talked to him on the phone, I was like, old car, blah, 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 right? I don't know anything about it, but I told him to order a new gas tank and fuel lines, and we'll change all that, make sure we don't have any trash getting into the carburetor. He got all that, he brought it to me, and we got ready to put the fuel tank in it. And it can't be just that easy. What I found was, we found rot, bad. Now, this was all covered up. If you look, there's Bondo right there. Look at how much Bondo they had on the floor of this Willys. Ate up right through there. Fuel lines go through this hole right here, drain hole right here for the tank. You can see where it had been repaired right here. This wall is bowed out like this, and I'm going to have to smash that back square. How it's constructed is this panel right here comes down and it goes back that direction. This floor goes back that direction. So this is sitting on top of this. Well, this is rotted out. It's still okay up under here. But anyway, I gotta fix it. I can't put a gas tank in good faith. This rust was actually eating the gas tank from the outside. So we're gonna fix this weekend. Brand new. I'm not gonna go any further forward. There's another patch up in this zone right here where somebody else had put a patch in there, but I'm not going any further. I'm just basically making sure that the gas tank is secure in the truck and it isn't gonna possibly fall out someday. I can't do it all. I mean, it's a patch, it's not a restoration. I thought I was only going to have to fix this area, then I found it over there and way back over here, so I may as well just put this whole ate up piece in. So it's $139 for a floor pan for this thing, or $100 for a 4x8 sheet of 18 gauge. Good news here is now I got sheet metal to do the bottom of the doors on Leroy. Nice clean metal, and I got to keep it that way, which is kind of hard to do here in Houston with the humidity. But I guess I'll make sure I don't leave it out here, and that might help a little bit. So the other thing is, what I did was I made a paper pattern of what I needed to make, and that's what we're going to do now. We're going to start cutting this pattern out. Instead of this piece going straight up underneath the other piece, I'm going to put a 90 on it. The reason I'm going to put a 90 on it is because I can't get under that other piece to slide this straight under. So we're going to put it this way, and that way I'll be able to spot weld it, plug weld it back into place. So other thing is, I'm tired of using cut-off wheels to cut sheet metal. So I went to the freight and I picked up one of these, and we're going to try it out. All right, guys, that is our first stage. Second stage is, once I get this done, we're going to take it over to the slip roll press, and we will put a 90 on it using this tool right here. Once I get that done, I'm going to need to shrink a corner of that flange, and we'll bring it over here to the shrinker, and we will shrink that corner. If you don't know what a shrinker does, That's what it's doing. See how it's grabbing the metal and pushing it together. Grabbing the metal, push it together. Grab the metal, push it together. So we're gonna do that and it'll make that curve I need. All right, guys, well, let's get over here. We're gonna try out this new shear and see how well it cuts, because I've never used one of these before. This will be the first time. And yeah, I got a spot for you right here where it ain't gonna vibrate you to death. And I'm gonna go over there and cut that. And then we will come back. I'll come back to you and we will get to the next stage of this project. But this is my weekend project and I gotta get her done. Get her done, and have some fun. All right, so first I'm gonna cut this way. I need to cut this curve, but I'm not gonna be able to cut this curve without cutting this square first. So let's do that. Curlies! I got the curly curlies, the whirly burlies. All right. We'll set this over here. That is so much cleaner and easier. So much cleaner. I like that. Let me get my shears. I like that. That worked nice. Not loud, clean. I'm not wearing it. Bad thing is that's a pretty wide curve. But there we go. Yay, buddy. Now let me cut this corner out. And this doesn't have to be accurate. Well, I don't think it makes the curve as well as advertised, but it got the job done. All right, guys, well, that's part one. I'll get us over to the, set it up where we can watch me bend it. And then we'll go from there. All right, guys, y'all keep rocking and rolling and rolling and rocking. Come on back if you want to grind it down some more.